So I'm gonna make some flowers. Sometimes downloading things, even as simple as a flower, can just take up too much space and really slow down your model. So an easy way to make a flower is to go into your menu and choose the polygon tool. If you have a specific number of like sides or sort of like petals you want, you can change the number of sides down here before you click to make the shape. Just type in the number, hit enter, and it'll change it. But for me, I'm going to stay with 6, and we're going to make these off to the side, and the sizing of it doesn't matter too much. We can resize it later. So I'm going to make my polygon, and I'm going to pull it up a little bit. Then I will take my line tool, and I'm just going to draw lines going from corner to corner. Then I'm going to use the move tool, and I'm going to click the center where all of those lines intersect and go down a little bit. So now when I orbit around it, you can see that the center is kind of pulled down. Then I'm going to go underneath, and now we can kind of see where that intersection is because I pulled it into the middle. And I'm going to create a circle from that center. This is going to be the stem of our flower. Pull that down. I'm going to paint everything. So I'm going to make a pink flower. And if you hold shift while you're painting, it will paint the whole thing. Oops. Let's make sure it didn't paint yeah, sometimes it'll paint everything even if you didn't want it. So I'm going to undo that actually. And I'm just going to quick paint around. And then I'll paint my stem green. Might look cool if you use like a grass texture as well. And I've made my flower. And if I want multiple of them, I don't want to have to build multiple. So I can click on this 3 times. And I'm going to choose make group. Now it works kind of like a download. So now I can use the move tool to move around. Let's say I want it on the side of my house. I can spin it using the red dots. And then I can use the letter S on my keyboard for scale to size it down, but it still looks totally fine. If I want to make a copy, I can do Control-C, Control-V. And let's say I want to make my second flower a different color. I can double click on it, and now I can paint this one a darker color, or however I want. So again, to edit it, I'm going to double click. When I made my first flower, I selected it. To select the whole thing, you can either click and drag around it or click on it 3 times, and then chose to make a group. And that's how we make flowers.